Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share files between two PCs using LocalSend step by step. LocalSend makes it easy to transfer files directly between computers without using USB drives, cloud storage, or creating an account. So let's get started. First, make sure LocalSend is installed on both computers. Connect both PCs to the same Wi-Fi network or the same local network using Ethernet, then open the LocalSend app on each device. After a few seconds, both computers should automatically appear in each other's list of nearby devices. Next, on the computer that's sending the files, click the Send option. Choose Files or Folders, then browse your computer and select the items you want to transfer. Once you've made your selection, click Open to continue. Now, select the second PC from the list of available devices. If it doesn't appear, confirm that both computers are connected to the same network and that LocalSend is allowed through the Windows firewall. You can also restart the app on both devices if needed. On the receiving computer, you'll see a notification asking you to accept the incoming transfer. Review the file details, then click Accept to begin receiving the files. The transfer happens directly over your local network, making it fast, secure, and private. After the transfer finishes, open the destination folder on the receiving PC to verify that all the files were copied successfully. You can repeat the same steps anytime you need to share files between your computers. And that's it. You now know how to share files between two PCs using LocalSend quickly and securely. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.